Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Neil, and today I'm introducing a new software for tablets. Basically it's to manage your child's time and what they actually do. So we're going to get straight into it just so you can have an idea on what it can do and its benefits. So we'll pull the camera in now. Okay, so let's turn it on. Now this has two main interfaces. One is for the child and one is for the parent. This is the child's interface and this is the parent's interface. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. This is where you manage everything. Now what I mean by manage is that you can control how much time they spend on the tablet. You can see what they're spending the time on, and you can manage what websites they can navigate and so on and so forth. Now it's really straightforward. When now it's all managed by a password. If a password is on, then the child can only see this interface. They can't go to the family interface like this, the control panel if you like. Okay, now all you have to do is set the password and then select it to be on, and once that's on, the child cannot go to the family page without the password. Okay, we're going to turn it off because obviously I need to show you a little bit more. Now if we look at the interface itself for the child, it's really straightforward. They've got games, they've got e-challenge, they've got education, they've got TV, which is like movies, they've got books, and they've got navigate. Now we start with games. Basically straightforward. They can download games from the game store here and put them onto this screen. Okay, e-challenge is again straightforward. It just has tests that they can do, maths tests, science tests, English tests, that sort of thing. Okay, so books, going to books, again it's like games. You get a bookstore where you can download the right books for them, or they can, depending on their age, and then you can spend a bit of time bonding with them, reading and obviously interacting. Okay, and then navigation, this is quite straightforward. They can only navigate what you set, which I'm going to show you next how to do that. Okay, because that's in the family function. So if we tap the family now, we'll have a look at this. The password's straightforward. You put the password in and all they can see is that navigation screen, as we said. We'll come back out of there. Application management's quite straightforward. You've got three to select. You've got games, you have ABC, and you have books. Now whatever you select in here is what the child can see in that application. So this is in games at the moment. If I want them to see the clock, I can just turn the clock on, save it, and then when the child's back in to her screen, she can go to games and find the clock as well. So you can manage what goes into those three applications. Let's go back into family. So now online navigation. Basically what you do is you write in what website you want them to go to, or you allow them to see. Okay, so I've just picked two, so Amazon and eBay. When we go into the children's navigation, which is all they can see, you get Amazon and eBay. Okay, so obviously select the right websites for them to navigate. So that's online navigation. Now time management, that's quite straightforward obviously. First turn it on or off, and then set a time to turn off from, say, 7 o'clock in the evening until 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. And we can also see exactly what they've been doing. This is statistics. Now it shows you, for just this one is set on today, it shows you how much time they spent playing games, how much in education, how much on online videos, how much on navigation, how much on books, and how much on the tests. Now it can show you a weekly performance panel, and it can also show you a complete guide of the whole time they've ever spent on their tablet. So this obviously allows you to control not just what they're navigating, but what they're actually doing on their tablet and how long they're spending doing it. Okay, so it also helps to obviously build more of a bond, in the sense that you can spend time with your child reading and be in the safe knowledge that they're not just downloading games and just playing games all the time. They're actually doing something good and educational. Now, like I said, if you've got the password turned on, they can't come to this screen. They only see their screen, and you manage it from this screen. And when you just want to use it as a normal tablet, you can just press the Android button here, and it comes into a normal Android tablet. Okay, so you can use the tablet as well, but obviously you can still manage what your child can see on your tablet. Okay, so what we're going to do is pull the camera out now. I think I've shown enough to give you a good idea on what the software does and how beneficial it can be. So as you can see, there's a lot of great benefits about this software. Obviously the fact that you can manage you can actually see what your child's doing. You can manage what websites they go to. I will say, with the apps that are designed on here for games and that sort of thing, all of the games apps that are designed on these are selected by professionals. You know, they do look at what's good for a child, what sort of games a child will want to play, how much benefit they can get from the tests that are on the tablet and that sort of thing. So, you know, there's a lot of benefits that come with this new software. I think the fact that you can actually just use it as a tablet as well is another great thing, and obviously you do get the chance to interact with your child, you know, instead of the child just sitting there playing games and not talking to anybody. You can obviously sit there and read books with them, help them to download, teach them how to download books that they can read to you, read to themselves, or you can read to them. So there's a lot of benefits. It's not just a tablet, and it's not just a software that restricts your child. I think if you are interested in a tablet like this, then it's definitely a good option for families and children alike. So if you are interested in tablets like these, you can come to our website. We've got lots of different power ranges of this. So just come and have a look and see what you think. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.